All right, so I figured out something awesome, and I wanted to share with the rest of you. If you had Wink and now have to switch to SmartThings, and you bought a ton of bulbs like these GE Wink bulbs like I did, there's a way to transfer them to SmartThings. First thing is, you gotta do this thing where you reset the bulb. I have this little controller that I attached it to since Wink shut me down. Yes, I should be a little more patient. There we go. So now they're reset, right? Next, you go to, sorry, I'm doing this on my tablet, but let's add a new device. All right. So add a device. Go to, what was it, lighting. I know this is probably unclear, but go to lighting. And then go to Ikea. And then you can pick the top option. I don't know why this is not. Pick the top option. Getting everything ready. Start. Next. Okay, and now just, oh, look at that. It automatically connected. And now I can do, oh, crap, I'm sorry, this video sucks, but my bedroom number 2. My bedroom 2. Now, watch this. Click the, bam. So Ikea bulbs work in place of GE. The old GE bulbs. Screw Wink. They suck.